Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Huringo.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Sakuma Exports. This stock has recently had a price rise of nearly 25% or something. I mean, nearly 25%. So that is the reason why we are taking up this stock for technical analysis. So right now you are watching a monthly technical chart of Sakuma Exports, and this is a monthly technical chart, and this is the historical price path of this Sakuma Exports, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed for to do the analysis for Sakuma Exports, and these are the graphs of those indicators. Now, if you look at the price trend path pattern of the stock, we have data since 2008 onwards, and okay, you can clearly see up from since August 2016 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward fashion, and it is like a straight up, and you can see all these green color candles. Actually, the size of the candles has been increasing month after month, and this is this month. This is November 2017, and this is the candle for October 2017. Okay, and this is the candle for September 2017. See all these green candles, and consistently the size of the candle has been increasing, and the size, I mean, the size, I mean, literally the length of the candle indicates the price rise here. For example, 157, 155 it started, and it went up to nearly 207, and here 213 to what 260. That's very great, right? I mean, in the 211 to 260 nearly. So this is what we want as an investor. Actually, huge price rise in the last 7 days. So that is the reason why this stock has been, I mean, has become popular, and it has been in the news, and it has been popping up in the top, I mean, charts of this, I mean, top 10 stocks of the small caps. Anyways, right now we do the analysis. We see whether this trend is going to continue or not. Okay, right now if you see this stock has already crossed its 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, which is very good, and it is under the influence of super trend mode, positive super trend mode, which is another good. Okay, that's good. And now look at the RSI graph has been already picking up, and it is making a nice slope there. You can clearly see this one. Okay, the indicates the relative strength of the stock. Very good. Look at the MACD, very clear cut signal. The signal line is on top of the red line, and both are diverging, and histogram bars are populating on top of the baseline, and size of the graphs are size of the bars are also increasing. Very good. Look at the momentum is playing on top of the baseline zero line, and momentum graph, look at the tip of the momentum, it is rising, it is looking in the upward direction, and this is confirmed this thing that the momentum will increase further. And look at the ADX, direction strength of the stock is also rising. Look at the tip, it is rising up, and look at this green and red lines, both are diverging, and look at the space that is getting created between these two lines, which is directly proportional to the direction strength of the stock. And money flow is already picking up, which you can clearly see the slope there. So all these points are all these indicators are throwing I mean, positive guiding points related to the stock, and which helps me to conclude that the stock will grow further, and good for and this is the right time to invest in the stock for long term investment. So I see that the stock will increase further. It may easily reach 300 in the next few days. That's what my feel is at the moment, based on the guiding points thrown by the indicators. Everything is so good, so clean, and I feel the stock is good for long term investment. Even for short term also, you can use the stock, but the stock is I mean, recommended for long term investment. uh, you can get benefited a lot, and people who had already invested here, somewhat here, and that means April, May, June 2017, and that time the stock was trading at nearly 65 or 66, and today just June, July, August, September, October, November, right? uh, Nearly 5 to 6 months, the stock has given 200 rupees profit per share. That's what you can clearly see that, right? So this is the potential of the stock. Now you can decide what you want to do. Okay guys, this is the analysis for the stock. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.